Understanding bigger than life, a guide to larger than life expressions. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, bigger than life. This expression paints pictures, evokes emotions, and adds color to our conversations. So, whether you're a language enthusiast or on your journey to mastering English, this video will shine a light on how to use this phrase effectively in your daily conversations. The phrase, bigger than life, or larger than life, describes something or someone that is extraordinary or exceedingly impressive. When we use this expression, we're saying that the subject stands out from the ordinary, often in a grand or dramatic way. It's not just about physical size. It's about the impact or presence that seems to surpass normal boundaries. While the exact origins of the phrase are a bit murky, bigger than life has been a colorful part of the English language for quite some time. It's often used in contexts like movies, literature, and everyday conversation. For instance, a character in a novel might be described as larger than life if they have an overwhelming personality or lead an extraordinary existence. To truly grasp the essence of bigger than life, let's see it in action. 1. Heroes in folk tales. In many folk tales, heroes are portrayed as bigger than life, capable of feats no ordinary person could achieve. 2. Cinema and theater. The actress's performance was larger than life, captivating the audience from start to finish. 3. Real-life personalities. Nelson Mandela was a larger-than-life figure, whose legacy of courage and resilience continues to inspire the world. While bigger than life is versatile, its usage can vary based on the context. In literature, authors use this phrase to describe characters that embody extraordinary qualities. In everyday conversation, it's used to express admiration or highlight the extraordinary nature of events or achievements. In professional settings, sometimes, this phrase can describe projects or goals that are highly ambitious. The phrase, bigger than life, adds a vibrant layer to our conversations and writings, allowing us to express admiration and awe for the extraordinary. As you continue your journey with the English language, embrace such expressions, as they can bring your narratives and dialogues to life in the most colorful ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video makes your understanding of English idioms larger than life.